Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll discuss an exciting agricultural invention, climate-proof rice. As you may already know, climate change is having a significant impact on the agricultural sector and food supply around the world. Rice, a staple food for billions of people worldwide, is especially sensitive to the effects of climate change. Floods, droughts, and extreme temperatures can damage rice crops, leading to lower yields and quality grain. But what if we could make a type of rice that is more resistant to these changes in the weather pattern? Well, this is where climate-proof rice comes in. Climate-proof rice is a new variety of rice that was made to survive in extreme weather conditions. This means that this rice can continue to grow despite floods or droughts. It's a game changer for farmers, who will no longer have to worry as much about unpredictable weather patterns damaging their crops. So, how is climate-proof rice made? Scientists use a method called selective breeding. They find the segments of rice plants that make them more resistant to extreme weather, and then they crossbreed those plants to make a new strain of rice with all those good qualities. The benefits of climate-proof rice are huge. Farmers can increase their yields and incomes, which is essential for food security. This new type of rice can also help the environment because it needs less water and pesticides to grow. Climate-proof rice has grown successfully in several countries, including the Philippines, India, and Bangladesh. Farmers who have used it say that it has increased their yields, improved the quality of their crops, and made them less sensitive to extreme weather. In conclusion, climate-proof rice is an exciting development in agriculture that has the potential to change the way we grow and eat food. It's a game changer for farmers and could help build a more economically viable and environmentally friendly food system for the future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable and informative videos on sustainability and innovation. Another day, another info.